came to the liquor store. That my nigga wrote. Got too much game to be slipping though. I let you know, you did it up. So I'm gonna go to let it out. Man in the club and I'm playing out. I'm looking for the floor and throwing out. Shake that bass. Shake that bass, right? Get up, get up. Shake that bass, right? Get up, get up. Shake that bass, right? Get up, get up. Shake that bass, right? Get up, get up.
Don't make a mess.
You like parties? Yeah. We should invite all our friends and have soda and pie. Yeah!
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Let me work it.
Residential area.
Hip-hop isn't helping. So what? I've been told it's good as gold. You can feel the weight deep down in your soul. It's a fucking sound. It's world-renowned. So come on, girl, let's get on down. You gotta do it right. You work the day all night. You gotta rock to the beat with all your might. You gotta rock to the beat. Gotta rock to the beat. Gotta rock.
What all the bitches saying?
Let me work it. I put my thing